This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the quiet, largely residential Buena Park neighborhood, just west of Lincoln Park, for a walk through one of the redesigned vintage apartments at Reside at 823. I've just stepped into a ground-level studio with a unit number that should make James Bond fans happy. It's number 007. Galley-style kitchen is off to the left as you enter. It has gray flooring, matching gray countertops. There's a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, and good cabinet space. Track lighting in the kitchen. It's oak parquet flooring throughout the main living area. A closet with double hanging and shelving. And then as you head toward the bath, there's a second closet with shelving for linens off to the left. Bath has gray tile that matches the kitchen. And a fresh, updated bath. There's a wall-mounted medicine cabinet. Story here is the location. You're a short walk from the lakefront, the 18-mile lakefront trail. Close to public transit. You have dollop coffee at a convenience store just around the corner. And you have access to all of the programs that Reside Living has to offer. Put Reside at 823 on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.